a proper body repair method that keeps rust from coming back. If you've ever done auto body work, like patched panels, welded seams, or fixed collision damage, you know rust can be your worst enemy. Even small traces can grow beneath paint or filler, and before long, rust is back, destroying your work from the inside out. But it doesn't have to happen again. In this video, we'll show you a proven rust-proofing method for body repairs that keeps new corrosion from forming and old corrosion from coming back. Using the KBS Coatings System of KBS Klean, RustBlast, RustSeal, and Cavity Coater, you'll see exactly how to clean, prep, seal, and protect the metal for the long term. Rust often forms or even returns because moisture has a path to the metal and/or because the original corrosion wasn't completely neutralized, which lets rust form, often in hidden spots like behind seams, under filler, or inside panels. To truly prevent rust after repair, the metal has to be completely isolated from air and moisture. That's where RustSeal comes in. It forms a rock-hard, flexible coating that seals out everything that causes corrosion. RustSeal is a single-part moisture-cured urethane coating designed especially for automotive restoration and body repair. Once it cures, it creates an impervious barrier. It's tough enough to resist chipping and impact, yet flexible enough to move with the metal. RustSeal can go directly over bare metal or even rusted metal, serving as a durable rust-preventive foundation for paints, primers, fillers, and putties. RustSeal can also be applied over fillers and putties which have been previously applied. Just make sure no moisture is trapped underneath before applying RustSeal, because even the best coating can't protect against trapped water. Proper surface preparation is critical for the best bonding of RustSeal. For this, KBS Coatings offers KBS Klean for cleaning the repair area, and RustBlast to treat the metal. Step 1. Remove all loose rust and old paint with a wire brush, sandpaper, or by sandblasting. Since RustSeal can be applied to light surface rust that's been treated with RustBlast, sanding down to bare metal is not required. Step 2. Clean the repair area with KBS Klean, a powerful water-based cleaner that thoroughly removes grease and grime without leaving adhesion-hindering residue. Mix clean with warm water, scrub the area with a sponge or scrub pad, rinse thoroughly, and dry completely. Detailed instructions for KBS Klean can be found on the KBS website. Step 3. Apply RustBlast to dissolve and neutralize any remaining rust and etch the metal for maximum adhesion of RustSeal. Keep the surface wet with RustBlast for 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on the amount of rust. Scrub intermittently with a Scotch-Brite pad, rinse, and dry thoroughly. A light zinc phosphate coating will remain. That's normal and helps prevent flash rust. Don't remove it. Keep in mind, KBS Klean and RustBlast aren't needed if you sandblast it. You can go straight to applying RustSeal. Just blow off the dust and be sure to handle the metal with clean, gloved hands. Detailed instructions for RustBlast can be found on the KBS website. Step 4. Seal the metal with RustSeal. Mix RustSeal thoroughly, stirring from the bottom of the can to the top of the can. RustSeal can be brushed, rolled, or sprayed. Apply at least 3 thin overlapping coats. For proper curing, multiple thin coats are better than fewer thick coats. Keep in mind RustSeal is a moisture-cured coating, so the higher the humidity, the faster it will cure. Detailed instructions for RustSeal can be found on the KBS website. Top coating RustSeal exposed to sunlight is recommended, as UV light might alter its color or sheen. This can be done when RustSeal dries to the touch, or once it's fully cured and scuffed with 320 grit sandpaper. Another option is to let RustSeal fully cure and dust it with Fusion self-etching primer. Body fillers and putties can be applied directly over fully cured RustSeal. Just scuff the surface with 320 grit sandpaper or apply a light coat of KBS Fusion SEP primer first. Don't forget about the hidden spots like seams, welds, and cavities. That's where KBS Cavity Coater aerosol comes in. This cavity wax and corrosion inhibiting coating provides rust protection where RustSeal cannot reach. Before use, remove loose scaly rust and clean with KBS Klean where possible. The surface must be dry before application of Cavity Coater, so dry thoroughly. Cavity Coater aerosol can be applied with a cavity spray wand. This features a 360-degree spray tip for complete coverage. Insert the wand into the cavity and withdraw at about 1 foot per second. If needed, repeat to ensure complete coating. Detailed instructions for Cavity Coater can be found on the KBS website. Clean, etch, seal, and protect every surface, inside and out. With KBS Klean, RustBlast, RustSeal, and Cavity Coater, you can confidently complete repairs that stay rust-free for years to come. KBS Coating products are proudly made in the USA.